Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the media driver of our Windows computer is missing. First thing I recommend doing if you are using a USB plug-in to connect this external drive, I recommend to swapping it out and try a different plug on your computer because the USB port could be bad. Let's fix that guys. I'm fixing. Go to search menu and type device manager, click on it, control panel, device manager. You want to select here universal serial bus controller, expand it, and want to all of these. You want to update driver over here. Want to click on update driver and browse my computer for driver, locate my install and driver manually. Let me pick from the available drivers on my computer. Click next. Has installed updated your driver. You need to do all of these drivers guys, and after doing this all of drivers updated, close out of here and restart your PC. That's it for today's video. You good to go guys. After this, that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.